Hey guys, so I'm coming to you today with another video, and I got a goodie in here. And so without further ado, let's open this bad boy up and take out what's inside. Well, what do you know? What do you know? It is a Webster's Pages Traveler's Notebook, and this is the pink patent leather. And on the tag, it says hello with a heart on there, as you can see. And it is super cute. And of course, it has a protective sleeve over it. And I'll tell you the little backstory. When I was making my traveler's notebook inserts, I had some Paris paper left. And I decided that I wanted to make some TNs, and I wanted to have a TN inserts, and I wanted to have a TN to match it. So I started to look at the different colors, and I said that pink would be a perfect color in the patent leather. And so I had looked on Amazon, and Amazon was the only one that had it for a reasonable price. So here it is. And for those who are new to the whole travel and notebook thing, it's really preference. I say do some research, see what your likes and dislikes are. I absolutely like the Webster's Pages Traveler's Notebook, and I really like their line of different, I'm going to call these folders for now. I like the different folders that they have, whether it's a Traveler's Notebook composition, notebook folder that they have. This is my favorite one. They do have the binders with the ring binders in there and everything, but I always come back to this. This is my ultimate favorite because you can really chunk it up, and it's really flexible, and you can me personally, I can do so much with this one. And I don't have to worry about like the rings and the snaps being away, because I can really expand this as much as I want, and it still holds. So that's what I really like. I think the ones with the snaps, it's a little confining. Like you can only go up to a certain point. With this, it gives you a little bit more leadway. So I really, really, really love this. Okay. And so as you can see, this is the front. It says hello. And this is the back of it. It says, welcome to Webster's Pages, established in 1986. I'm going to have to go back and check it out. 1986? Yes. Okay. And so the inside, and sometimes when people like resell these because I guess they have extra, don't want any more, whatever, they don't have like the book. But this one has the book inside. Yes. And so here's the plastic I was telling you about. And you can actually turn this plastic into a dashboard if you wanted to. Cut it down to size, leave the hello, and put it in here as a dashboard. Here is the wonderful window pockets, and this is Webster's Pages in here, on here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for those who love pockets like I do. That's more than enough. Then it's gold here, which I absolutely think is so pretty. And it's like a metallic gold. And then you got your pink strings, 2 here and 2 on the other side. And here's the two. They just put the book in here. Got another book. Excited about that. And then back here it has a pocket here and a pocket here and then a pen holder. And it says www.websterspages.com. There you go. And so I absolutely love the patent leather. It's so shiny and pretty. And if it gets dirty, I could just easily wipe it off versus like some cloth or anything. Now this is the shiny, of course, shiny material because it's patent leather. I have one that is, that also have like the matte and stuff, and it's very, very, very nice. I've seen this pink one before, and I thought it was very pretty, but I just didn't get it like way before. But I'm glad had the opportunity to get it now. So let me show you the other goodies that I have for this traveler's notebook. Okay, I had made my traveler's notebook inserts already, and so I'm just going to show you here what I have. And I had made a video on it so you can check it out. I had showed these that are my personal ones, and then ones that I'm actually selling. So okay, I'm taking these out here. I want to keep them in order. Here they are. Okay, and so here are my traveler's notebooks here. And what I did was either they have a card in the middle like this, or they have like a full page in between the pages. So I'm going to quickly go through this. This one has, see, it has the full page. Okay. So these are all the inserts I made, and this was from a Paris themed pack. And I love the fact, I just thought these like little drinks was so super cute. And I was like, yeah, I want to do that. So I made it like a little theme and everything. And so here is how I organized them to put them in the traveler's notebook. So that's going to go in there with this. And how fitting, because it got gold. And I'm going to take this one out. And then this is going to be like a fold out little thing to write stuff on. I didn't want to cut it up, so I just folded it in. I said, how cute is that? And I'll just glue it inside one of these, and so when I open it, it flips on. So I also have these Paris stickers I ordered online from Hobby Lobby here, and they were half off. I thought that was super cute to go in there. And this this was also with the paper pack, so I put it in here. That'll go in one of the notebooks. I have journaling cards there, and then I have these little tags. I came, I saw, I conquered. I love that. That's wonderful. These are cute little note cards. These can be tip-in cards if I want them to be. So here's that with the gold foil on there. And this says cheers. It's Friday with the 2 drinks. And I think these got strawberries in them or raspberry. They look more like raspberry. And it doesn't have to be alcohol. It could just be a regular raspberry tea or a raspberry, you know, juice in a glass or something. So yeah, it doesn't have to always be alcohol. So that's the way I was looking at it. This was just wrapped around all of the books to keep them together. So I am going to cut this down and I'm going to use this paper. And I'll probably slice these up to fit them in there. Or fussy cut the bottles and thing. I don't know, I might fussy cut it. That would be good. And then I have these other cute little cutouts here. And I just put them together here. So this is the same as that, of course. And then you have the lips. And then I have the stripe with the gold foil. And then this says, "Hello, gorgeous." And it has the drinks outside. I thought it was so cute. And there's 2 of them here. And you can see 2 of them. So I really like this paper pack. It's very, very nice. Then I have to go with this. I have a camera. Oops. I have a camera that I also got from Hobby Lobby. And this was half off. And I've always eyeballed this camera. I'm glad I finally got it. It's super cute. And people always like to take pictures. I figure I'm like, hey, out taking pictures, sightseeing, that's why. And I really like the colors, so super cute. And then I had this because, people have their tea in Paris and coffee. And so I thought this was cute as some charms here to go on the traveler's notebook. Now I couldn't find, and I'm still looking, I couldn't find really any cute glasses like this or wine bottles, but you know what I thought? And I'm gonna look. The dollhouse little miniatures. If I could probably find like a little glass, cute little glass like that, or even like this, I would definitely add it as a charm on here. However, I don't want it in silver. I want it in gold. Yep, I am that picky. And so see, these got gold on them. How cute is that? It matches the theme. I am theme driven when it comes to my traveler's notebook. And I crack my sisters up when they know that, because some of the traveler's notebook that I see is really mixed up, and it's people's personal preference, and I'm like, oh my gosh. And she's like, you're not gonna like kill over on me. And I'm like, no. I said, but I'm just theme driven, so that's just my preference. But these are the goodies, and I am gonna come back in another video and going to set everything up. So you guys can see how I actually put these things together. And so like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you never know who you would inspire. Make sure you hit that notification button so anytime I come on or post a video, you won't miss it. And this paper pack came from Michaels. And it is, I think it was a hot buy. If it wasn't a hot buy, then it's something else. But they was 70% off with the rest of the stuff. So, yeah, it was a great deal. And then I ended up making a notebook for a little girl that had the Paris theme. And I liked it so much. I was just like, oh, I want to make one. And so I did. And then I had the paper left over. And so I made traveler notebook inserts. Yay. So catch me in the next video. And I'll put everything together. And you'll see how everything unfolds. Bye-bye for now. God bless you.